Warp drive engaged. Our destination is 600 light years away. Target, Kepler-22b, a mysterious world more than twice Earth's radius, orbiting inside the habitable zone of a star similar to our Sun.
Scientists once called it one of the best candidates for a second Earth.
Today, we're going to explore it. And by the end of this mission, we'll answer one question. Is Kepler-22b really another Earth?
At the speed of light, our journey would take about 600 years.
But our warp drive has just done something impossible. We arrived in seconds. And there it is, Kepler-22b. This is the planet discovered by NASA's Kepler mission in 2011, the first transiting planet found in the habitable zone of a Sun-like star. It's about 2.1 times Earth's radius.
Kepler-22b is classified as a super-Earth. But don't let the name fool you. Super-Earth doesn't mean Earth 2.0. It simply means this planet is larger than Earth, but smaller than the ice giants in our solar system.
It tells us about its size, not what its surface looks like or ability to support life.
Here's what makes this planet famous. A year on Kepler-22b lasts only about 290 Earth days. That's surprisingly close to Earth's 365-day year. Kepler-22b orbits within its star's habitable zone. Habitable zone does not mean habitable planet. It only means the planet receives the right amount of energy from its star for liquid water to exist on the planet's surface.
For a moment, everything sounds perfect. A planet larger than Earth, a year not much shorter than ours, a sun-like star, and an orbit in the habitable zone. Could this be our second Earth?
To find out, there's only one thing left to do. We go down and look.
But there's a problem. The clouds are opaque. We can't see the surface from up here. So before we descend, our onboard computer runs 3 hypothetical simulations, 3 possible versions of Kepler-22b. And the first one could be spectacular.
Simulation 1, the endless ocean.
We descend through the clouds, and below us, there is no land, no continents, no islands. Only an endless global ocean stretching to every horizon. If Kepler-22b is rich in water, this sea isn't a few miles deep, it's thousands of kilometers deep. And deep oceans mean incomprehensible pressure. At the bottom of this global sea, the sheer weight of the water forces molecules into exotic, high-pressure ice, crystalline structures that remain solid even in scorching heat. This isn't just Earth with extra water, it's an alien water world resting on a floor of hot ice. But that's only one possibility. Our next simulation produces a very different planet.
Simulation 2, the Venusian furnace.
We descend again. This time, the atmosphere is thick and opaque. Visibility collapses. Our hull heat shields glow bright orange. Instead of a cool ocean, we've descended into a runaway greenhouse nightmare. If Kepler-22b retained a dense blanket of carbon dioxide, heat is trapped on a planetary scale. The pressure spikes exponentially. Temperatures soar past 500 degrees. Our spacecraft systems fail long before we even locate a solid surface. A world sitting in the habitable zone turned into a choking, superheated furnace. But there's still one more possibility. This one changes everything. Simulation 3, the gas-rich world.
We enter the clouds and keep descending and descending.
But something is wrong. There is no surface to land on. The gas grows progressively thicker, denser, and heavier. If Kepler-22b held on to its primordial hydrogen and helium, it isn't a rocky super-Earth at all. It's a mini-Neptune. We fall through thousands of miles of swirling atmospheric currents until crushing gravity and gas pressure tear our vessel apart. So is Kepler-22b really another Earth? Here's the fascinating part. We don't know what's beneath those clouds. But based on what we know today, the answer is no. Kepler-22b is not another Earth. It's a super-Earth, but super-Earth only describes its size. We don't know whether it has continents, oceans, a suitable atmosphere, or even a solid surface. So we can't call it a second Earth. But we can
can't rule out something extraordinary either. Perhaps future observations will finally reveal what this mysterious world is hiding. Until then, Kepler-22b isn't Earth 2.0. It's an unanswered question, 600 light-years away. Mission complete.